people? Good afternoon. Hey, I do this video because Saturday when I go back home, I'm a truck driver, and like a truck driver, I need to be responsible. Okay, if I got something in my truck fail, I need to be responsible. If I break something or whatever, I hit a car and stuff like that. So that's me. And I see this truck. I'm being, like 200 feet away, or more than 200 feet, and I see the mud flat go out of this truck, and this truck carry 3 trucks, and one of those lose their mud flat, and I see they go through the car in front of me, and I try to escape, but I can't. So, and I hit it anyway. So I said, well, maybe it's nothing happened. But I try to tell the lady, she lose a mud flat for one of those truck that she has, and she was real rude. Like, I don't care. Like, that's not with me. I don't want to stop. Nothing like that. And that's the thing that bother me, because me, like truck driver, I'm responsible, and I do whatever I need to do to do right. So so this mud flat coming, and I have an old car. It's 2007, I guess. Mini Cooper. They're using for go to work. It's nothing fancy. It's just same miles, mileage. It's real cheap. Cheap car, it's not too fancy, like I said before. But I'm sorry, I'm working outside, so I was cut air early, and I need to do this video anyway. So the car he got damaged. Maybe it's not too much. It's nothing. I'm an easygoing person, but it's that kind of thing, What about if that mud flat in your windshield, or break the windshield? Because that mud flat, let me show you. I'll show you. This over here, they have almost a ½ inch stick, and it's pretty heavy. So probably it's around 2 pounds, something like that. But remember, they're coming with motion already. So and I do this video because the attitude the lady has. I mean, sometimes you need to be responsible for your actions. And so this time they don't happen nothing to me, thank God. But what about if somebody is not too much expert driver, a kid, they start driving and they start going to the highway, and he don't know what to do and how to go out of the highway. So drivers, you need to be more responsible when you carry something, because I see a lot of stuff. I see dead people in the road. I see cars look like nothing, destroyed. I see objects like piece of pipes losing tablet, those kind of wood pallets. They are web, we go over there and I tell the guy, hey, you need to tie that. And sometimes they do, sometimes don't. I see doors open. I see the merchandise go to the highway. Drop it. Basically, they don't tie very well, and that stuff go down and go to the side. And and you see like 400 feet forward, try to recover the material they lose. So you guys need to be more responsible, and I don't know what I say, but I left the truck like that. You see the muffler that they left. I don't talking for talking. It's what happened, and I wish I sometimes I put my phone to like a cam to watch what happened in the highway, because that I usually have a cam, but I put in my wife's car because I got my baby over there. So, and it's better they have it than I have it. So, but I'll go to invest to put some dash cam in my car, and I invited you guys to do it too. Buy a dash cam and put in your car, like that you can save this kind of situation. You have a record what happened, and you can claim, and you got all the evidence that other person they do something wrong. So I think that's it. I hope so this video helps somebody to think better when they go to drive the truck, because driving a big truck like this is a lot of responsibility. It's not just come over here and try to make money. Yeah, you can make money, but you can kill somebody for a little bit negligent. You say, well, I go faster. I need to do more loads or something like that. No. You need to be responsible. Necesita ser muy responsable. So anyway, I'll leave it with that. And this company, I work in a lot of years with them. Good company, General Sound. I don't do any promotion. Just I wear it in because I work in a lot of years with them, and they make me who I am today. My character and all that stuff, and I appreciate that. If you need a good fire alarm system, you can call them. It's over here in Texas, Richardson. They can help you out with there. So General Sound, remember, they do school, they do sound, they do a lot of stuff. I work with them a lot of years, but I decided to do what I like it better, and I miss them, but I like to truck. I like to drive. I enjoy it drive. So leave it with that. I hope so. You guys, any person they see this video, they can help to think when they drive. It's not only that, oh, I drive a car, or he drive a big truck, and oh, if they hit me, I can have a lot of money. Don't thinking about it. You can lose your life with that, and that's not worth. I mean, life is not worth money. I mean, money is not worth life. So just drive safe, be smart. If you see a big truck, they try to go to the different lane, give you a pass. You let go, and like that, maybe when you need to go, they're gonna let you go too. We need to educate people how we drive, because these days people drive crazy, and you guys need to stop. I mean, you guys need to do right and drive safe. Everybody, when they go out, they expect come back home, and I'll tell you, it's not nice. Found accident, there are fatal accident, and that's sticking your mind, and they no go because you see stuff that you're not supposed to see it. You're not supposed to see it, and sometimes I see it, and people, they are more of a, like, oh, I want to take a video and post it. No, I don't do that kind of stuff. I respect, somebody's there. Maybe it's your brother or sister or something like that. I don't like that stuff. So try safe, people, and if you got some money to spend, buy a dash cam. They can help you. They can save your life, and they can save, that you are right. If you texting and driving, don't do that. Don't do that. It's no. So be safe. God bless you, and you can follow me too in Rico 930, 930, Rico 930 in YouTube. And God bless you guys. Be safe. This truck that coming over here, they lose them all flat. They lose them all flat, and I try to tell her, the muffler hit me. If you see, they don't have a muffler over there. So the other side muffler, they fell and they hit me. So, and she's trying to be like a, nice. But that's why I'm waiting to try to catch up. And well, that's what the mud flat do to my car. I don't know what those broke, but that's the thing.